What's up, guys? As you can see from the title, I'm going to be opening up the new 2017 Panini Elite Draft Picks Football. This smaller box they're making, I believe they're going to have a smaller box for Draft Picks Contenders also. We're going to have like 7 packs instead of what it was, 24 or something like that. We got 5 cards per 5 pack per box, 15 cards per pack, and each pack will have a autograph in it. So, without further ado, no expectations for this because it's 2017 and I cannot pull a Dak or Zeke in this box. So, of course, I'm looking for all Buckeyes. Looking for Adoree Jackson, corner from USC, Trojan. If not, I'll probably buy autographs of his from eBay. Those are 5 packs. Okay, first pack, wish me luck. Seen some other openings, cards all over the place. Of course, I'm not trying to pull any team from up north autographs. Oh God. Okay, I'm guessing that's Dwayne Smoot. Donnell Pumphrey, Chad Kelly, I believe he's a nephew of Jim Kelly. Got Leonard Fournette rookie, Travin Doral, I think, rookie, Patrick Mahomes rookie. Looks like he's getting ready to kick the ball or something. He's a quarterback. And the first auto is nice. Dede Westbrook. I'm actually very high on this guy. Hope Dallas drafts him. Very fast wide receiver. He won the Fred Biletnikoff Award, I believe, for nation's best wide receiver, I believe he did. Marcus Mariota passing the torch to Derrick Henry. I'm guessing because they both play for the Titans. Okay. Alright, somebody else from Oklahoma, Brian Bosworth. Purple, 22 of 99. Oh, it's a die cut. Sweet. Got David Johnson, Peyton Manning, Fran Tarkenton. Oh, he played at Georgia. I did not know that. Ew. Tom, Corey Coleman, and Mike Evans. I have to film this at a weird angle. Shine more light in my room. Oh, that might help a little bit. I'll speed this up a little bit more. Okay, let's flip and flip. I'm just gonna name the names without showing it. Malik McDowell, James Conner. Really like this guy. Marlon Humphrey. Got Cooper Rush. Joe Mixon. I wonder who's going to draft him. Mike Williams. And the next auto is from Alabama. Ryan Anderson. I've seen a lot of mocks with Dallas taking him. Either DN or outside linebacker, one of them. Oh yeah, cool. We got college ties, the contract with Chad Kelly. We have Emmitt Smith, 39 of 99. Kind of wish wasn't these cards weren't, you know, chrome and everything. John Elway, Big Ben Roethlisberger, another Emmitt Smith, Kirk Cousins, Cam Newton, and Matt Ryan. Next pack. Well, where the Buckeyes at? Carl Lawson, Chris, I don't know if that's Godwin or Goodwin. There's only one O. Jake Butt from Michigan, Cordrea Tankersley. No idea if I'm pronouncing that right. Josiah Price. Travis Rudolph. The next autograph is Jaleel Johnson from Iowa. I'm assuming he's a offensive lineman. No, he's a defensive tackle or DN. Okay. Got a passing the torch. Charles Woodson. Ew, and Tom Brady. Disgusting. Got Eli Manning, Terry Bradshaw, Jerry Rice, Andrew Luck, Drew Brees, Sterling Shepard, and Jared Goff. And 2 more packs, 2 more autos to go. Still no sight of any Buckeyes, which is, I mean, there's less Buckeyes in this draft than last year, easily. Okay, we got CJ Beathard, rookie. Charles Harris, see a lot of mocks of Dallas taking him. Amba Eda Tawo, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Elijah McGuire, Jared Evans, Gerard Evans, Jabril Peppers. The next autograph is going to be of, oh God. Why did I jinx it? You got Ryan Glasgow from Michigan. Autograph. Oh God. Defensive lineman. I shouldn't have said nothing. You got alma mater Cam Newton. Gerard Evans out of 99. Rookie. Elliott, the first Buckeye I've seen. Todd Gurley. Joe Namath. Michael Thomas. Von Miller. And Khalil Mack. Okay. Last pack. Last chance at a Buckeye autograph. Nothing lower Then the 99 serial number lower than 99. Okay, let's flip them. We got a new 40-yard dash record holder for John Ross. We got Jonathan Allen, Dede Westbrook, Reuben Foster, Ryan Switzer, Matthew Days. I believe this is going to be the last auto. It's going to be Chris Carson out of 99. No idea who that is. I'm guessing he's a running back. Yep. No idea who that guy is. The college ties John Elway, Christian McCaffrey. And the final numbered card is going to be C.J. Beathard out of 99. So, no card lowered, single number lower than 99, which kind of sucks. We got LeGarrette Blount, Dan Marino, Paxton Lynch, Allen Robinson, Laquan Treadwell, Clay Matthews. So we didn't get any Ohio State rookies. We got 4 purples, number to 99, 1 die cut, lowest numbered autograph, the 99. Maybe I should never jinxed it with the Michigan autograph. Hold on 1 second, guys. Actually, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Gotta take this phone call. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my loot locker. Peace.